This is Samsung Galaxy M14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can find and see how much random access memory you have on this device. To start, you will need to launch Settings. Onwards, enter the Battery and Device Care category, and in here at the Memory section or at the Memory rectangle, you can check the general or generic RAM information, such as how many gigabytes you have in total and how much of it is being currently used or available to be used respectively. But if you will tap at the memory section over here, you can also gain an access to some additional stuff. For example, you can enable or disable the RAM Plus feature that we have a whole separate video about, so make sure to check it out if you are interested. You can also exclude some apps from using your RAM, clean up the RAM cache, or just clean up the RAM in general. And that will be so. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.